Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add cookie pop-up for your WordPress website. So let's start. The first thing you want to be is just be on your dashboard in WordPress and then just go plugins and add a new plugins. I'm really sorry. In search, just write cookie and you're gonna see it here, the GDPR cookie consent or cookie notice for GDPR. You can really choose which one you actually like, but let's go with this one. Install now and activate. Okay, and then you will find it in settings and cookie notice. And now you get the message: we use cookies to ensure that we give you the best experience on our website. If you continue to use this site, button text OK. Then you got like enable privacy policy link, and you can add it. So if you want, it's really up to you. Refuse, revoke, okay. Nice. We can like, okay, when someone scrolls, it will automatically accept. Then you get like accepted, expire, rejected. Okay, save changes. Now when we got it, and when I go to marcusstone.net, to my website, oh, it already showed, but I scrolled, so it's gone. Give me a second, I need to unclick it. So no, like this is fine. Let's see. Okay, so don't have the scroll there. We use cookies to ensure. Okay, and voila, you got it. So this one is good too. And let's try the different plugin here. Cookie notice. Delete, okay. Cookie. And let's try this one. So this one is good. We can also try this one here. Activate. Okay, and we should find it in, and now where it is, oh here, GDPR cookie consent, banner. Oh, you can have it as a pop-up also, that's good. But I wanted to have it as a banner. You can customize it. And let's update the settings. And let's again open our site. How it looks like. And voila. Accept. So these are the two ways how you can do it. And how you can add cookie to your website in WordPress. So these cookie law settings got the pop-up there, and that's kind of it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.